Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about cascading style sheets, background image position properties. So in your web page, whenever you want to position your background image, you can do with the help of this property. So in CSS lecture series, this is our lecture number 21, 22. That is very important. And if you forgot to watch previous 21 lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So let's move to the introduction part first, where we have already discussed background color, background image, and background repeat property. In this video, we will discuss position and then attachment. Okay, so CSS background position is nothing but it is just used to specify the background image is fixed or scroll. Okay, we are talking about background attachment first. Okay, it is just used to specify if the background image is fixed or scroll with the rest of the page in browser's window. And for background attachment, you should write your element like this. Like for example, you have already used background image property, and for this you can write it as background attachment, background attachment fixed. If you don't want that your background image will scroll with your web browser, then you can make use of fixed property. Okay, now next important point we have is background position. So background position is used to define the initial position of the background image, and by default the background image is placed where it is placed on the top left of the website. By default it is placed on the top left of the website, and if you want to set it to the center, left, right, bottom, up, down, you can do it along with this particular property. Okay, and for this students, you have basically 5 options. First is center, second is top, third is bottom, next point is left, and last option you have is right. Okay, so these options you can use along with background position. So let's move to the practical part. So as you can see here, this is our previous example where we have used body's background image, background repeat. Here we use no repeat and its text alignment. Also, we give H1 heading specific color and background color. Okay, now let me just run this for you. So this is our image.html page. Okay, let me just open this first for you. Here we have image.html page. So you can see here we have used background image, we have used background color over here. Okay, as you can see here, this particular background image is in larger size. Okay, we have discussed this in previous lecture with so many real life examples and so many variations. Okay, if you forgot to watch that lecture, you can check the description box. I have added the link there. Okay, so here you can see the background image size is very big. That's why it already captures the entire background. But in some cases, we have small image size like this. This is the background image that we have used in this example. Okay, and for example, here we have this image that is very small in size. We have this our logo that is very small in size. Now let me just use this as a background. So for this, I'm changing the name of this file. Just save this and refresh your web page. So here we have img2.jpg. So you can see the background image size is very small. That's why it takes the place as the place at top left. Okay, now if you want to position this particular image to center, top, bottom, left or right, you can make use of background position property. Okay, so this is how you can write it. Let me just write it after image property. Okay, so for this, just write background position colon, then you can write it as center. Save and refresh this page. So this image is at center now. Okay, now if you want it to be in left side, save, and every time you need to refresh this. Okay, so this is where this is in the left center. Next point we have right, save this and refresh this. So this is at the right position. And next we have, let's say, bottom. Save and refresh this page. So this is now at bottom. Okay, so this is a simple statement that you can use along with any background image. So all these 5 properties we have discussed in we have covered all these 5 properties in 3 lectures. This property is very important for an examination point of view, and also for if you are preparing for your web designing courses, or if you are preparing to become a web designer, then these properties are compulsory to you. Okay, so you can check the description box. And students, in next lecture will move to more topics, will cover more important and interesting topic for your examination. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video and I wish you all the very best.